Hello there, Escambia County teachers. Are you tired of spending hours and hours on lesson plans? We have some help for you with this week's Tech Tip in a Flash. Reclaim your time with Khanmigo, the AI-powered teaching assistant. I know you're wondering, what is Khanmigo? Khanmigo is an AI-powered tool designed to support educators and learners. For teachers, Khanmigo is a tool to help save time. What normally takes hours can be done quickly with Khanmigo. There are many different tools in Khanmigo to help teachers plan, create, differentiate, support, and learn. You can use these tools to create lesson plans, quizzes, exit tickets, class summary poems, rubrics, and so much more. So let's get started. From your Canvas course, click Manage Subject in the top left-hand corner. From the sub-navigation list, select Khanmigo Teacher Tools. If this is your first time using Khanmigo, you will have to complete the setup process. You can choose to sign in using your email, or because most teachers have or have had a Khan Academy account, you can choose to continue with Google. To continue with Google, click Already Have an Account. Then select Continue with Google. You will get a pop-up window asking you to select your account. You will get another window asking you to use your account to sign in to Khan Academy. And lastly, you will be asked to accept the terms and conditions. If you agree, place a check in the box and then click Enter Khanmigo Tools. So let's create a lesson plan on the water cycle for a 5th grader. To use this tool, select Lesson Plan from the tools. You can choose to type your topic in the box and get suggested Khan Academy lessons, or you can choose to provide your own content. You will need to add the topic, the standard or learning objective. You can add notes. You'll need to select the format and select the level of detail. Then click Start and watch Khanmigo. Once Khanmigo is finished and you have had a chance to look over what was provided, you may want to change some details. This can easily be done by selecting the area that you want change. You can select the area to the left of the text and click the bar. This will highlight the entire section. You will then have 3 options to choose from. The pencil will allow you to manually edit the plan. The arrow will have Khanmigo to switch out the portion with something different. And the last option is to discuss the change that you want to have made with Khanmigo. Let's ask Khanmigo to provide some examples that you can use for the warm-up. You can make changes to any items created in Khanmigo. And now, with the recent update, Khanmigo allows you to use the microphone and the speaker to talk and have Khanmigo read its answers to you. Please note that Khanmigo is an AI and can make mistakes. You ultimately are the expert and should completely look through all materials before sharing with students. Another tool to note is the rubric generator. To start, select the rubric generator from the tools. You will need to select your grade level, type in the assignment description, or copy and paste the assignment instructions in the box. You can add criteria, then select 3, 4, or 5 performance levels for the rubric and click Start. Your rubric is displayed for you. You can share, print, or export any items using the options in the top right-hand corner. If you choose to save to your drive, you will get a pop-up to let you know your file has been saved. Click the pop-up to open the document. There is another tool that I would like to briefly point out, and that is the IEP Assistant. We have been given the following guidance from the ESC department. The IEP is a legal document and requires an understanding of the student and their needs. Due to the sensitivity and legal nature of the IEP and the collaboration process, at this time, the ESC department does not endorse utilizing the IEP Assistant tool. Please follow the IEP guideline structure and training the ESC department has provided. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to the ESC department directly. Thanks for watching. Check out the Canvas and Mastery Connect playbook for help guides, videos, and tutorials for our learning management system. Got a video that you would like to see? Fill out our content request form so we can make videos that are just for you. And this has been A Byte of Tech.